This is Little Miss at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Little Miss is a friendly girl. She comes over and greets people as they come into the room. She likes other cats and is living right now with other cats in the colony room. Gets to run around and sit on windowsills, climb this tree, climb catwalks. She was just going to jump up on my lap, but I already have a visitor on my lap who is a little jealous of other kitties, so I think Little Miss has figured that out and said, okay, I'm not vying for alpha status. You having dinner now? Okay, I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye. Bye, sweet girl.